What's up internet, Steemy Coins here once again. Thanks for checking out the video. Alright guys, I'd really appreciate it if you'd like and subscribe to these videos. Try to put out one every day, just talking about cryptocurrencies and touching on what's going on in the market, and just documenting my own personal investing. Alright, so what you're seeing on the screen, Bitcoin, US dollar. Alright, so and this is the daily chart. As you can see, we're pulling back a little bit, which is always a very healthy thing. The sell-off is not that strong though. If you zoom in a bit here and take a look at it, you see that they're very tiny red candles. Alright, so that just suggests that the sellers are just slightly overpowering the buyers, even though we do have one more candle that hasn't closed out yet, but it looks like it's gonna be a weak one because the day is almost done. Alright, so Bitcoin looking healthy, a subtle retracement, which is always good. That candle can even be a little bit bigger. There's no problems there. Yeah, so yeah, we're looking very good. But you know what, guys, it is altcoin season, so the altcoins are having a good time right now, being traded against Bitcoin. Alright, so I had Litecoin. Let's take a look at Litecoin really quick. Alright, so I had Litecoin. I jumped out as soon as I saw this red candle. Was it that red one? No, it was this one. This is the one right after it. Yeah, that candle. I decided, okay, it's cooling off. Let me just step out. So I sold my Litecoin for Bitcoin. Alright, so what I did with that Bitcoin now, I bought some Binance coin. Alright, so take a look at Binance coin. I bought it right at that same level where you see that red candle, even though I was over in the green one, but when it was like at that same level. And I actually have the number. Did I write it down? Yeah, I did write it down somewhere, but look into that later. But oh, actually I do. Hold on. So I got it right here, 38, right there. Let me just grab that tool, get exactly where I purchased it. Bam, right there. So I'm already in profit. Yeah, so this is looking good. So let me just show you guys my process, how I actually came to this decision to purchase it right there. Alright, so this is Binance, right? So this is the exchange that I use for most of my trading. Links in the description if you guys want to check it out. This is the largest exchange in the world, by the way. So what I did, I select Bitcoin, right? These are the base currencies, right, that the other pairs are traded against, the other altcoins are traded against. So you have Binance token, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and US dollar, right? Alright, so the objective of my trading is to gain more Bitcoin. Alright, that's my objective. Some traders, the objective is to gain more US dollar or whatever. Right now for me is to gain more Bitcoin. That's where you're gonna gain the most advantage, because whatever you trade against Bitcoin, you're trading to get more of that token and then sell it back and collect more Bitcoin, and at the same time your Bitcoin is also rising in value, so you're gonna have a lot of gains there. So anyway, what I did here is I look at the volume, because volume is a leading indicator. Remember that, guys, a leading indicator, not a lagging indicator. You can almost predict the future with volume by looking at the volume. So what I did, I clicked on volume, and that shows who has the lowest volume on the platform right now. Click it again, it's going to show who has the highest volume. BNB had the highest volume. When I traded it, it was at 14,000. Now it's at 13,300, right? So they had the highest volume. And then I looked at the chart, and they just started to look slightly like they were starting to get more bullish. I looked at the volume, saw that the volume down here was showing some good signs. Looked at a couple other indicators, the RSI, and then I decided to jump in, and I jumped in right about here. This was 4 hours ago. Yeah, right about this candle right here. Let me blow that up a bit. Yeah, that candle right there. I jumped in, and then there we are. So I believe this is gonna run for about 2-3 days. I'll keep you guys posted on how that trade goes. But yeah, simple process, guys. Just look at the volume. You can also look at the change. So this is the percentage change for the day. As you can see, this token at the top here has lost the most over the 24 hours against Bitcoin. It's down 10%. Something just took its place at 14% loss. Alright, you click change again, you're gonna see who has the most gains for the 24 hours. By the time you're up here, you're too late. You don't want to pick up these trades because it's already gone. You know, you could be buying the top and then it's gonna fall down after that. But what you want to do, you want to look for a coin that has high volume and has just started to go into the green. So you look for like the 1% or the 0. whatever percent, something that's just starting to go green and has a high volume. So that's how I found Binance coin, put my money on it, and I'm in profit. I think I'm in about 10% profit now. So yeah, that's my process. All right, so let's take a look at some of my other investments here. So this is a Binance coin that's going good. I have some ARK. Alright, so ARK. I'm still waiting for ARK. So ARK was more like a fundamental play. I didn't look for volume and anything. What I was looking for with ARK was launching its new software. It launched it on the 28th, which was yesterday. But the market didn't react the way that I had anticipated. Alright, it still looks like a good trade, but I might have to wait a couple of days to get some percentages out of this. Alright, it does look like we've bottomed out, but it didn't pop off the way that I thought it would. But that's fine. So I'm just gonna hold that for a while. Alright, let's take a look at what's going on the Tron deck. So if you guys are following, you know that I have been trading BitTorrent token for Tron, and what I did, I sold all my BitTorrent token. Alright, I had like about 100,000 of them. I sold all of them because I believe that we are at the top now, and I think we're gonna pull back. I think we're due for a correction. Alright, I'm looking at the volume. The volume has fallen off a bit. Alright, I think we're due for a correction. So I'm gonna watch this market for a while, but I think we can have a pullback to about this level, or maybe even lower. Maybe we'll have a significant retracement before we go on another run. So I'm gonna watch the market, see what happens, and I have a nice bag of Tron waiting to scoop up some more BitTorrent tokens around this level, depending on what the market does. Alright, so I'll be watching that a couple of days. But the thing with BitTorrent tokens is that they have a software coming out, which is supposed to be very it is already highly anticipated, but it's supposed to be very good. It's gonna allow anyone who is seeding files, like torrents seeding files, to earn cryptocurrency. Alright, and so it's incentivizing people to do file sharing, which is awesome. Alright, so that's a lot of people are looking out for that. The whole market's looking out for that. So we'll see how that goes. But in the meantime, it is being traded, so you have to expect the price to retrace. So I'm just looking out for that. If you look right here, you see how it's going sideways, consolidating a bit. It's weakening. That just means it's weakening. So it's highly likely that there's gonna be a pullback. All right, unless some sort of news comes out, like a date that the software will be released or something like that, you know, then you know, all of this can change. But if nothing changes, I am very confident that it is going to retrace significantly. I am hoping it goes back to about here so I can get even more. But for now, I'm just standing on the sidelines, just waiting. All right. Yeah, so I just want to look at a couple platforms. Just remind you guys, I have these links in the description. This right here is mypassivetrades.com. With this company, you earn 1.25 daily. All right, and that's in US dollar value. Yeah, so you just invest your Bitcoin with them, and they'll pay you 1.25 daily of what you earn. And it is up to a certain time. You basically earn about 125%, and then you have to reinvest that. But using the what do you call it, no, the methods of compounding, you can gain a lot really quickly, right? And you get paid back in Bitcoin value, not Bitcoin value. You get paid back in Bitcoin, but you get paid in US dollar value. So remember that when you're doing your calculations. You're not going to be necessarily profiting from the gain in value of Bitcoin. You're basically paying them US dollar to trade for you. The only difference is you're using the Bitcoin as a medium of exchange. You're not actually investing Bitcoin, you're investing US dollar with them. So just understand the difference before you invest with these guys. But very profitable. It's always good to have some money working for you on the side that you don't have to think about. All right, so that's mypassivetrades.com. Me personally, I have done my due diligence and researched this company, and they are registered, they are regulated, they are based in England, they are registered with Company House, so it's a legitimate company. But I would encourage you guys, before you invest, do your own research. I'm not your financial advisor. All right, just making that clear. So yeah, check these guys out. They're definitely worth an investment. I have a link in the description. You guys, if you're interested, you can click on that and you know, put some money with these guys. I also, there's another platform I'm promoting. I'm also invested in, Coinz. So the difference with this and my passive trades, now Coinz pays you in Bitcoin value. All right, so you do gain from the increase in price of Bitcoin. So just understand that they're strictly dealing in Bitcoin. They're not considering the US dollar value. All right, so only at the point when you invest. So you're gonna invest, for example, 25 US, right? So it's 25 US dollars worth of Bitcoin. All right, and that same $25 worth of Bitcoin, they're gonna trade that Bitcoin, all right, and give you your percentage profits. For this particular package, it's 121%, and you'll gain that in 2 weeks. So basically in 2 weeks you make 21% on your initial investment with them, and they will pay you back in the Bitcoin value. All right, so if Bitcoin goes up $1,000, you will earn a part of that. Well, you will get all of that increase basically. So yeah, I'll just understand the difference. So this is Coinz. Yeah, very interesting. You guys should check them out also. Links in the description. All right, and just want to touch on a few things here. Go over a couple of DAPPS I'm involved in. One Up. This is a daily ROI game. It's going very well for me. Every day it increases by 0.02%, which is somewhat sustainable. It lasts a long time, but I believe it is coming to its end now. So once that's done, it's gonna reset, and then we're gonna play again. So yeah, you guys can check that out. Links in the description. CC Bank, I get 10 Tron every day from these guys. Just checking in. They have daily ROI games, but I don't think they're running any right now. Let me see. So they had a TRX fund, a BitTorrent token fund, a CCB fund, and Wait, I think I can actually withdraw some of this. Hold on. Oh, not sure. Anyways, so yeah, so and they have also have a ETH fund, but they have a new ETH one coming. So they're saying look forward to that, whatever. Yeah, guys. So basically, I make $10 every day off that, and I also get some tokens from them. Eventually, I believe this is gonna be tradable. You guys can check this out. This is a very interesting company, and they're very fair also. All right. On the Steem blockchain, I am into magic dice. I earn a dividend every day. They have some new games coming out. For now, they only have the casino. So far, I've earned 23 Steem from this platform. All right, and this is what I'm expected to earn so far, and this is gonna keep growing until this clock runs down. So there's 20 hours left on that, and then I'll see my balance here. And then I just click the button and I withdraw it. Alright, I'm also into cups. This is another casino on the Steem blockchain. Right now tokens are being mined. I get on average about 7,000 tokens every day. Alright, and they haven't started paying dividends yet, but eventually they're gonna start paying a daily dividend. Alright, so yeah, that's just some of the stuff I'm into. I'm into a couple more things, but can't touch on everything today. Anyway, guys, thanks for checking out the video. Like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Peace.